Hello students, we are studying lesson 2 of political science. What is democracy? Why democracy? We have learned that democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. Then we came to know about the features of democracy, that in a democracy regularly elections are held after every 5 years. Then we were learning the arguments against democracy, that it reduces the moral values. Leaders want to win the elections by dirty tricks. Then we were studying the arguments in favor of democracy, that democracy provides methods to deal with differences and conflicts. Now, all this was about the true situation of democracy. Now, we will study about the broader meaning of democracy. Dear students, democracy is of two types: direct democracy and indirect democracy. Direct democracy was once found in small country Greece, but now it is not possible in any other country. It is possible only in Gram Sabha. In example of direct democracy can be the selection of monitor in the class. When we say that person A wants to become the monitor of the class, who are in favor of this person, raise the hands. So some students will raise hand in his favor and some not. Then we will count the votes and select the person as monitor. It is called direct democracy, but it is not possible these days. We are living in indirect democracy because we are electing our leaders by giving votes and they are ruling us. And why direct democracy is not possible? There are some reasons. One reason is that modern democracies involve such a large number of people that it is physically impossible for them to sit together and take a collective decision. As we all know that in India 130 crore people are living, and it is not possible that all will sit together at one place and take a collective decision on any matter. Next is, even if they could, the citizens don't take part, not have time and desire or skills to do it, to take all the decisions. Even if it is possible that all the citizens are sitting together, then even citizens don't have time, desire and skill to take all the decisions. So direct democracy is not possible and we are living in indirect democracy. All of you write a question, what do you mean by indirect democracy, and write some features of democracy. Thank you.